Rolling Meadows, the prestigious home of 23 Legal. It sure is a lovely place to live, but let's talk about what we need to do if you're looking to sell your house. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam Carr, who finally started working out, and his body is wondering what the heck he's doing.
I used to work out when I was like in my mid-20s. I'm 30 now, and I'm in pain. I didn't stretch. I need to do that before I work out next time.
Well, that's why we put wheels on all the chairs around here, so keep rolling around. And today we'll talk about what you need to look out for when selling your house in Rolling Meadows. Rolling Meadows' origins can be traced back to both a golf course and a racetrack. In the early 1950s, the land originally dedicated for the golf course was purchased by Kimball Hill and was intended for home development. In 1953, the first families moved to the area and officially named it Rolling Meadows. It was officially incorporated in 1955, and as of 2020, the population stood around 24,000 residents, and of course, is the famous home to the world popular real estate law firm 23 Legal.
Woo!
And of course, as we know by now, most cities will have a per 1,000 tax, and Rolling Meadows is no exception. They have a 3 per 1,000 tax. This means for every $1,000 the house sells for, the seller owes the city $3 in taxes. To my right, we have a list that breaks down how that all falls into place. But just know that a house selling for $100,000 will end up costing you $300 in taxes. One thing that's a little more specific to Rolling Meadows is that 3 to 4 days before the closing, you'll need to have someone from the city come over and do a final water meter reading and calculate the bill. This helps ensure that all bills for both the buyer and the seller are paid for fully and fairly, and neither party is held responsible for charges that they themselves did not incur. Once the bill has been calculated, we have to purchase the village stamp. In order to do that, we have to complete the MyDeck. That's a state tax form that 23 Legal will fill out for you. We'll complete the Rolling Meadows form, which is a city tax form similar to the MyDeck, and 23 Legal will complete that for you as well. The last thing we need to make sure we bring is the deed, and once everything is combined with the final bill, we bring that to the City Hall. We'll be able to obtain that transfer stamp, and we are ready for the closing. On top of that, feel free to ask 23 Legal for a recommendation for places to eat near your closing location. We may even be making a video series on that soon, so keep an eye out. Rolling Meadows is not too much unlike other cities and villages in the area. The big thing you want to watch out for is making sure that water bill has been properly calculated. It's a smart idea to schedule that well ahead of time so you're not waiting until the last second to get it done. 23 Legal has done this process many times over the last 10 years, so please reach out if you have any questions about closing a sale in Rolling Meadows. Have you been thinking of selling your house in the coming future? Leave a comment with any questions, and we'd love to answer them for you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, open to taking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.